Indeed. That's a neat looking little spider actually. Hello folks, it's Kev Russell here, the designer and manufacturer of the KR Macro Diffuser System. We're here to discuss the new setup video for the latest version of the diffuser. Okay folks, when you order a diffuser and I send it to you, this will arrive in the post. It's quite a good padded bag, and it protects the contents very well. Inside is a reusable bag that you can keep to put the diffuser in when you fold it flat and put it in your camera bag. Inside the bag is everything that's needed to set up your diffuser on your camera. One thing we do have there is the lens cap and a ring to fit on the end of the lens. This is the new strap arrangement that I've designed for holding the diffuser onto the flash. You'll find there's a piece of tape here which actually goes onto the flash around about there. So it's ready to peel the backing off and just stick it onto your flash. And then once that's on there, then you just attach the band to it like so, and it's ready to connect up. With the diffuser now, as in previous times, because it's been sitting in a bag for so long, it needs to have the edges creased back in again, just to retain the shape, the original shape. You can press it out as hard as you like, it won't make any difference. Now this is the all-new diffuser. It has stainless steel metal press clips now instead of Velcro. They're quite easy to set up. All you do is just pull that across, connect them into place. You'll notice sometimes there's a big bulge in the front. All you do to fix that is just press it in with your thumb, and the diffuser's all ready, and it's set up ready to go onto the camera. Now we have the camera and we have the flash. We'll now install the flash on the camera. The diffuser, we need to put the ring on the end of the lens. Once that's on there, we can just put the diffuser on that, grab one side of the strap and pull it over the top, grab the other side of the strap and pull it tight over the top, and then the bottom ring goes round behind that, little adapter ring that I've provided, and your lens cap, because your lens cap's no longer going to fit. I provide a lens cap that goes into the end of that to protect your lens. And there it is, it's all set up, ready to go. Okay, thanks for watching our new setup video folks. Those setup instructions apply to the whole range of diffusers that I supply. So they're all now done with stainless steel press clips, and they all need to be folded the same way. And keep an eye out for some other videos that we're producing at the moment to show you some of the special features that we've got with the new diffusers.